So this is Calvin Harris's website. Straight when you come onto the website, the thing that grabs my attention is the promises. The typography is different. It's actually fun to look at, and it just stands out from the background behind it, this orange-ish color. And the typography is in black, and black light shows the seriousness that is down to business. So the background can show that it's fun, but then the typography of black shows the serious black. And this, for me, it looks like a ticket because of the barcode. So it shows that he's always out, he's always working, he's always going to events, which is further shown here. Because straight when you go to his website, you don't need to just click shows. Because if you click this and you click this, it goes to the same section. So it shows that he's always out and he loves to perform for his fans. As shown, if you click it, you can buy tickets, and it shows the location, the venue, the days, times. Also, he has a releases section where in one place it shows all of his music, all of his albums, and you can listen to it if you really wanted to. One Kiss is the song that I've done for my summer work. And when you click it, it shows all the cross-media links where you can also listen to it. So for instance, if I click this, it'll go to another media platform that's not his website, where he uses his website to promote his music on all these other platforms. But here, I don't only need to listen to Calvin Harris, I can listen to other artists like Drake. So it allows me to also listen to other artists, not just Calvin Harris. And then the next bar is the video section. It's where all his music videos are, not just the audio. And if you click it, what's interesting is actually this time it doesn't go to another media. It stays on the website, but it's still YouTube. And you can listen to it and stay on the website at the same time, but it's still YouTube. And you can like, retweet. Next is the store. Every artist website is expected to have this, and you can buy his stuff, and this makes the audience, his fans, part of his group. If they purchase anything from his store, they'll feel part of him, they'll be part of his family. And what's interesting is when you hover over these, it's a bright blue. And I forgot this section, the new section, which is very interesting, because when you hover it, it's also blue as well. It shows all his music that's out. Basically an advertising section where it shows all of these things. The song that I've done for my media, someone. And this shot right here is actually part of this song. That's what I found interesting. Lastly, when you hover over these, the colour of them, the socials, come up because YouTube's red. And if you click it, allows you, the audience to connect with the artist. You can share, like, follow. He can actually talk back to you as well. So this is where you can interact. It's an interaction. section. And what's different that you won't see in other websites is that if you click another section, a black background appears for a short while. That's very unique. And if you was to scroll down, there's a compulsory Twitter section which shows that he's really outgoing, that he loves his fans and he connects with his fans, and he's really grateful. As seen here, he says thank you. Here he can also advertise what he wants, his music, and it brings another media platform, a cross link, into his website without actually needing to click his Twitter. So you're basically forced to see it, forced in a good way, and that's his website.